6 plus 2 is equals to 8 times of 2 divided by 2, and 8 times 2 becomes 16 divided by 2, and further we cancel these two terms and we get 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16. So here we get 8 only. So this is the our wrong answer, and this is the wrong process to solve this problem. Okay, so this complete process is wrong. If you can solve this problem in this way, you can get the 0 numbers or 0 marks. Okay, so here I can give you next technique in which we will easily solve this problem. So here in this type of questions we use here the very famous PEMDAS rule. Okay, so you know about that. Here P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, and A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So here you know about that we gives the first priority to the parentheses, and in the next condition in the second priority gives to the exponent, and third priority given to the multiplication. Here you remember that multiplication and division has the equal priority. Similarly, addition or subtraction have the equal priority, but we now we remember this order from left side to the right side. Okay, so now we copy down again the given question statement and we solve the above question into the correct way. So this is the given question statement, and now first we write this expression into the one line form, and we write it as 6 plus 2 times of 2, and this is divides by 2. Okay, so you see that here we have there are four operations which we use here. The first is parentheses, then addition, multiplication, and division. We have these four operations which we can use here. But you see, according to this rule, we give the first priority to the parentheses, and you see that inside the parentheses we again have two operations, addition and multiplication. And in addition and multiplication, we give the first priority to multiplication. So it means that here first we multiply these terms and we get 6 plus 2 times 2 becomes here 4, and it is divided by 2. And further in the next step, we again solve this parenthesis. 6 plus 4 becomes 10 divides 2, and 10 divides 2 is written as in the fraction form 10 over 2. So we cancel these terms. 2 5s are 10. So this is our final simplified form of the given question, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.